How to use coupon codes on Temu app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Temu app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Cart at the bottom and click on the product you want to buy and press on Checkout at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you have pressed on checkout at the bottom right corner of your screen, in here scroll down and click on apply coupon code. After you click on coupon code, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here you can add coupon code, but limit one coupon per purchase. Simply press on apply after adding coupon code and it will be redeemed. This is how to use coupon codes on Temu app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.